Hi everyone, it's me, Dawn. I'm doing a steampunk piece today, and I wanted to show you all the pieces that I have for right now, so you can get an idea of. All these pieces are going to be listed in on my website as well. The link will be at the bottom of this YouTube page, the YouTube video. So feel free to click on that, and you can pick out some of these steampunks. You can order some of the same steampunk pieces that I've ordered. It's just a big collection of steampunk gears, all different sizes. And then I have really, really cool keys. These are some keys. So I've got some silver keys and really, really cool keys. And then some copper keys. Just really, really cool pieces. And then I have some really, really neat pieces over here that have. These are really, really cool. Check these out. There's skull hands. It's super cute. And the silver skull hands. Just to give you an idea. So they're really cool. They have pins with skulls on them. Let's see if it goes this way better. Pins with skulls on them. The pins do not open up. These they do not open up. And then just other little pins that you can put on. It came with some chains and hooks, like if I wanted to make. And I have wings as well. Some little wings here, real pretty cute wings. And it came with chains, some chains, and if I was going to make jewelry, then it came with the hooks and the latches and the little, but I'm not going to make jewelry, so I'm going to finish this steampunk piece that I started last night, and I'm going to put these aside. This one, I'm going to use that one, and this is the piece that I'm working on currently. I'm going to put it so you can see it. There. Here. Kind of get an idea of what it looks like. So I'm going to finish putting some of these pieces on there, and some chain would be kind of cool in there too. I wanted to try and do like a chain, but let's see what these chains look like. It's just one long chain. So I would have to cut that up or just separate that, but I'm not going to do that. The chains are really cool, but I think I'll put a chain in the next piece. So my resin looks actually really wet, but it's not. It's dried. It's been drying for 72 hours. I'm sorry, 24 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and put the next layer on and kind of build up on this with some more of my pieces of the steampunk pieces, and lay them out. And some of these pieces also have like like a little hole for, you know, for, let's see if I can show you, a little hole for a necklace. You wanted to make a necklace out of some of them too, but I am not going to be doing that right now. So I am going to go ahead and mix up some resin. Oh, I forgot. And I also have these pieces too, which are really, really cool. These pieces are just super, super cool. Let me just show you these as well. There's some more steampunk. But they came in a little bit different. These are really neat. They have all different kinds of skulls and crossbones. There's the heart. All different kinds of the clock. There's the Eiffel Tower. Really, really cool, like antique-ish Eiffel Tower type thing. Just a bunch of different, more different. Here's a really cool one. Alice in Wonderland. And then you've got these little arrows and stuff. So a lot of cool designs to add to my steampunk piece. So let's get started with the resin. For the resin, first we have to mix the hardener. It's better to mix the hardener first, which is the B for stone coat, and then mix the A. So you want to mix this one first, the B, and then the A. To make sure you get a complete, to make sure it mixes really well. I'm only going to mix 2 ounces, 1 ounce of each. Because I don't need a whole bunch. I just need enough for this to sit on for right now. So